Deep beneath America's mountains lies a hidden treasure worth billions. Gold buried for millions of years beneath solid rock.
Massive explosions rip through the earth as giant mining machines blast open mountains searching for precious gold veins. Monster trucks carrying hundreds of tons of gold ore move non-stop across enormous mines larger than entire cities. Inside giant factories, powerful crushers grind solid rock into dust to uncover microscopic particles of hidden gold. Advanced chemical systems separate pure gold from waste rock using heat, pressure, and billion-dollar industrial technology. Inside blazing furnaces hotter than lava, molten gold glows like liquid fire, flowing through massive industrial channels. The glowing liquid metal is poured into molds, transforming into solid gold bars worth millions of dollars each. Every gold bar is scanned, inspected, and verified under extreme security before entering America's protected vault systems. Deep underground, billions of dollars in gold are locked behind massive steel vaults guarded 24 hours a day. Armored convoys transport America's gold reserves through highways under heavy security and constant surveillance from every direction. On Wall Street, global traders buy and sell gold worth billions as prices change every second across world markets. From raw metal to luxury jewelry, refined gold is transformed into watches, rings, and symbols of extreme wealth. Together, mines, refineries, factories, vaults, and financial markets create America's unstoppable, multi-billion-dollar gold empire. Thousands of feet underground, miners descend into dangerous tunnels where hidden gold veins shine through the darkness. Gigantic industrial drills hammer through solid rock with unstoppable force, shaking the earth deep beneath the surface. Miles of conveyor belts transport crushed ore through non-stop industrial systems operating day and night without stopping. In high-tech laboratories, microscopic gold particles are extracted using precision science, chemistry, and advanced industrial engineering. Furnace doors burst open as rivers of molten gold pour through factories surrounded by sparks, smoke, and fire. Robotic systems handle glowing gold bars with incredible precision inside futuristic facilities built for billion-dollar production. Master craftsmen and advanced machines shape refined gold into luxury products desired by people across the entire world. Behind massive steel doors, federal-level vaults protect America's legendary gold reserves under extreme military-grade security. Global markets rise and fall as gold continues driving economies, investments, and financial power across the modern world. And as molten gold flows across America's skyline, it becomes the ultimate symbol of power, wealth, ambition, and innovation.